Welcome to the Matrix Mentor, where we discuss cyberspace, cutting-edge tech, bits, and even bytes. How to build a website for your business, idea, or personal brand. Welcome everyone to a tutorial where we will be discussing how to build a website for your business, your innovative idea, or your personal brand. This is the perfect opportunity to create an online presence and connect with a wider audience. The first step in creating a website is to decide the purpose of your site. Is it to sell products or services, provide information, or showcase a portfolio? Knowing your website's purpose will guide its design and content. Next, you must choose a domain name. It should be relevant to your business or idea, easy to remember, and as short as possible. There are numerous domain registration sites available online, so choose the one that fits your budget and needs. After securing your domain, it's time to select a website builder. There are many options available, from WordPress to Wix, each with their unique features. Choose a platform that suits your technical skills and the type of website you want to create. Now let's talk about website design. Your website should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and reflect your brand. Choose a template that fits your business style and customize it to make it your own. The next step is to create your website content. The content should be relevant, engaging, and informative. It should also include keywords related to your business or idea to optimize for search engines. You'll also need to create a navigation menu. This is the toolbar that visitors use to go from one page to another. It should be simple and intuitive, making it easy for visitors to find what they need. Don't forget about mobile users. Ensure your website is responsive, meaning it adjusts to the size of the screen it's being viewed on. This is essential as more than half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices. Including a blog on your website is a great way to share news, tips, and insights with your audience. Regularly updated blogs not only engage your audience but also improve your website's SEO ranking. Adding a contact form to your website is crucial. It allows visitors to reach out to you directly, ask questions, give feedback, or make a purchase. Make sure your contact information is easy to find. Lastly, once your website is ready, you need to publish it. Most website builders have a publish button. Click it, and your website goes live. Remember, building a website is not a one-time task. You need to update it regularly with fresh content, monitor its performance, and make improvements based on user feedback. In conclusion, creating a website for your business, idea, or personal brand is an essential step in establishing an online presence. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and guidance, you can create a website that stands out. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and guidance on harnessing the power of the online world for your business, idea, or personal brand.